Tired of guessing if your leads actually want to hear from you? Let's dive into Kvcore opt-in strategies so you can ethically connect and convert. First, navigate to the lead engine section in your Kvcore dashboard. This is your central hub for creating opt-in opportunities. Next, design landing pages with explicit opt-in checkboxes. Make sure these are clearly worded, asking for permission to send emails, texts, or both. Always include a link to your privacy policy here as well. Now, let's look at smart campaigns. Configure them to require a confirmation step after initial sign-up. This could be a confirmation email or text message with a clear call to action to verify their subscription. Importing leads, great, but ensure you have documented proof of prior consent. Kvcore requires you to acknowledge compliance when importing lists, so always respect that. Finally, make unsubscribing easy. Every email and text must include a clear unsubscribe link. Kvcore automatically adds this, and you can even customize your preference center for leads to manage their communication choices. By implementing these opt-in strategies, you're not just compliant, you're building trust and engaging leads who genuinely want to connect. That's how you convert.